One of the most annoying moments in any workday is when you receive a PDF to sign, but you don't want to use Acrobat Pro for it. So you only have an option: printing it out, signing it with a pen, and scanning it back in. A massive waste of time and paper. Today, I'm going to show you how to securely sign any contract or PDF right in your browser in under 2 minutes. With PDF.net, you don't need to download any software. PDF.net works totally on your browser, and you can access your documents from any device. If you have a document you need to sign right now, click the link down in the description. Open up PDF.net, and let's get it done together. As I said, the entire platform is browser-based, meaning there is absolutely nothing to install on your computer. And you can sign your docs anywhere you are, either you're using a laptop or mobile. Drop your file on the homepage. Once your document is loaded, scroll to the page where you need to put the signature, and then look at the top toolbar and click on Sign. PDF.net will immediately ask you how you want to create your signature, giving you 3 options. You can type it, draw it, or upload it. If you want to upload an image of your signature, PDF.net will remove the background automatically. For this demonstration, let's type it out. Simply type your name into the box, and the platform dynamically generates a variety of clean, professional cursive styles. Browse through them and choose the design that fits your personal aesthetic the best. You can save the signature for the future, so you won't have to go through this process again for the future PDFs. When you're happy with how it looks, click Place in PDF. The signature will appear on your document, and you can freely move it around. Just drop it right where it needs to go and resize it. Go try for free at pdf.net. The link is down in the description below. If this video saved you from an expensive Adobe subscription today, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial on pdf.net. I'll see you in the next video.